Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you're fine now, friends. First of all, congratulations to all wing holders, friends. If you are a holder of wing holders, so please celebrate it at this time, because as you know, today is the first day of a new month and the entry of the wing coin and the new month as beautiful as the highest jump, friends. As you can see here, the price change is only positive change occurred in the previous period, and now currently change is also positive, friends. So absolutely it's a good news for all bank link holders, friends. So in this happiness, please kindly click the subscribe button right now and like this video, friends. Now if you look the current price of wing coin, so the current price is about 0.00135 USD is the currently price of the wing coin. And a lot of people ask me this question that as wing coin as a safe investment or not, we should have to buy wing coin or not. So absolutely, if we look the price of wing coin, so now the change is positive and the price is very low, so I think it's a big opportunity for all of you to buy a wing coin and make a good amount of profit in the future, friends. Now let's see for more details the price prediction chart of the wing coin. What's the price change goes in the wing coin, friends? As you can see at the previous period, the starting the entry of a new month take a jump, but unfortunately falls down for a little time. And if we look the currently situation, so currently they are again ready to take a jump, friends. So that is why I congratulate all of Wingcoin holders that only jumping period of the Wingcoin are again starts now. Hope this jump continues for more time in the future, friends. If you look the price change occurred in the wing coin in the last 1 day, so positive 2.414% change occur in the wing coin in the last 1 day, and the highest price of the wing coin is about 0.0014 USD is the highest price of wing coin, and same like that the currently price of wing coin is about 0.00135 USD is the currently at this time price of wing coin, friends. So what is the next move of wing coin? It is clear for all of you that and now the next move is to take a jump, friends. As you can see here, because the previous period they fall down and now it's time to take a jump, friends. So what's your opinion about wing coin? Please share in the comment box, and kindly don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends.